Hello, my name is Dr. Tracy Shaw, and I'm the Assistant Director of Student Psychological Services. And welcome to the Health and Safety Abroad meeting. Today we're going to focus on 3 areas of concerns for students who are going abroad. We'll identify potential stressors for students adjusting to a new country, discuss unhealthy and healthy ways of coping, and lastly, explore when it's time to reach out for support. So the first thing that we're going to do is that it's always important to assess your stress level. It's normal to feel overwhelmed when you arrive in a new country for the first time. A normal adjustment and transition period is anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. These are some typical adjustment symptoms: irritability over small things, difficulty concentrating or focusing, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, queasy stomach, constant feeling of tiredness, poor academic performance, feelings of worry or anxiety. Unfortunately, there are unhealthy ways that people cope with excessive stress and a transition to a new environment, resorting to heavy alcohol use or drug use, staying in bed between 12 and 14 hours a day, eating excessively, isolating oneself, excessive absenteeism, and then lastly, escaping into unhealthy sexual relationships. Yet there are healthy ways of coping when adjusting to a new environment or a new country. Immersing oneself in study or reading that is satisfying, finding a local resident with whom you can talk to regularly, practicing your faith through prayer, meditation, or reading. Additional healthy choices include updating your Facebook page or emailing family or friends, meeting with faculty to talk about your stress and anxiety and the difficulty you have coping and adjusting, and then lastly, visiting with fellow student abroad students to share your experiences and challenges. Sometimes there's a need for additional support services, and that's when you experience the symptoms below for a period of 4 to 5 weeks. Prolonged depression or sadness, significant changes in eating or sleeping pattern, excessive anxiety that interferes with your ability to function and cope. Additional symptoms that may occur in which you may need to reach out for support: self-destructive or violent behavior, alcohol or substance abuse, suicide ideation, and suicidal thoughts. If you experience the severe symptoms of distress in transitioning to a new country, you may need to reach out for support. Contact your host representative or faculty member, contact the ACE organization, or go to the nearest recommended mental health clinic. One thing that's important as you reach out for support and study abroad, it's important to maintain a balanced life. And that balanced life is the key to a well-adjusted study abroad experience. Prior to going abroad, if you need to talk to someone, it may be important to reach out to Student Psychological Services. We provide individual, walk-in, group counseling, couples therapy, as well as our Wellness Wednesday workshops. We're located on the 2nd floor of the Burns Center, We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. We may be reached at 310-338-2868, and our services are free at no cost to students.